Good afternoon, everyone. As you can see, we're in the kitchen today. For today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through how I make one of my favorite dishes using wild turkey. It's some sweet, it's some spicy, and it's super delicious. A little bit of hot honey turkey nuggets. Let's get into it. So for this recipe, the ingredients you'll need are turkey breast, eggs, panko, breadcrumbs, flour, buttermilk, cornstarch, peanut oil, honey, seasonings, and red pepper flakes. For your seasonings, take 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. Once you have all your ingredients together, you can focus on your turkey breast. Make sure to clean it up, get rid of any fat, tendons, or unwanted pieces out of there. Once it's all cleaned up, you can cube it up for your nuggets. I like 1 to 2 inch squares for turkey nugs, but you can choose whatever size you want. Next is your dry mix. Combine your flour, cornstarch, and your 3 seasonings into the flour. Then make sure to stir it thoroughly until it is nice and evenly mixed up. And once that's done, you can add your turkey nugs right into the tub. Once you have your nuggets into the tub, make sure to seal it tight and shake it. Make sure to evenly coat every piece. Should look something like this. Now you can set up your turkey nugget frying assembly line, your dry mix, the eggs mixed with buttermilk, and the panko breadcrumbs. You'll dry, wet, dry, and then let them rest on the rack so that the coating sticks nice and well. While your pieces are resting, letting that dry mix stick to them, you can start to warm up your peanut oil. Take your pan and add about 1 inch of oil to the pan. Turn it on to medium-high heat and let that heat up. The best way of knowing when your oil is ready is by taking some flour and seeing if it sizzles when you sprinkle some into the oil. Once that's there, you can start adding your nugget pieces. One by one. Make sure not to crowd the pan too much so that they fry nice and evenly. Once you start seeing the pieces get that golden brown color, turn them over and let the other side crisp up. Should take about 3 to 5 minutes for each side. Once that's all browned out, you can start putting them into your container off to the side. While you let your nuggets rest, this is a good time to start on the hot honey sauce. Simply take about a cup of honey and red pepper flakes, add them into a little pot and turn it on to low heat and let that heat up. Once it's warm enough to stir up and it looks a little more liquid, that's when you know it's time to add it to your turkey nugs, which a little goes a long way. So once you have that viscous look, you can start pouring it onto your nuggets and mix it up from there. Well guys, they're all finished up here. They're looking amazing and they smell even better. I can't wait to try these because they sounded so crispy when I finished them. So let's dig in. As I mentioned, it's sweet, it's spicy. It's just like the perfect snack I could think of for wild turkey. Hope you guys give this recipe a try, and I'll see you in the woods next time.